B2B Industrial Packaging is your national neighbor. We go in with the latest equipment and we source from all of the major manufacturers, so we know what all the latest solutions are, and we're agnostic. We just want to help you get the best solution for your particular packaging design. We're the experts. We have the vendor relationships, and we bring them in, and we bring in the manufacturer's rep, and we help you get exactly what you need to have the most cost-efficient solution for the particular package that you're trying to ship. We are now large enough with the scale we have that we deal with all the major manufacturers in every product category. So if there's 4 or 5 manufacturers that are the major players in stretch film, we have a very strong relationship with all 5 of them.
We can help them keep their equipment up and running with our technical service folks. We also have a national network of technicians that can install, repair, and maintain that.
Our seasoned reps have been doing packaging sales for over 20 years. We have another layer of reps that have been in the game for about 10 to 20 years. Having that experienced sales force to rely on really helps with being a professional, offering great solutions for our clients, and it's just a great mix right now we have in our sales force.
The whole idea behind consultative selling is start with the client's application and work from there. And one of the more popular growth areas in our space is cold chain technology. And with cold chain technology, a client like a Thermo Fisher Rimmel has to get a product from point A to point B.
We developed with them a custom all-paper cooler. So they ship human tissue all over the world. Curbside recyclable cooler that they can put dry ice in, and once it gets to the destination, they can break it down, put it in the recycle bin, and they're done with it. So really moving them away from styrofoam, which is key. Customization is very important. Many companies are looking to have their product branded. They want to see their name. They want to have a secure supply chain. And with our group, we can do that.
That's one of the advantages of the national scale. We have somebody close that can go solve the problem. And that's really one of the other great benefits that we're bringing to our clients. We are building out a really truly national service network.